Ben Llewellyn here, and I just want to go into a bit about Indo-European languages and how so connected they are. Most people don't realize that it's really quite easy for you. If you speak English or Welsh or French, you can pick up languages as far away as Hindi, Marathi, Bengali, Nepali quite easily compared to if you were to try and learn a language as close as Turkish or Hungarian or Finnish. And it's really remarkable how many words are still in use which are direct cognates or words which were formed together in these languages, and how similar they are despite millennia of change. Before I get going, hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see you next time. Today I'm looking at the word day and how this cuts across the Indo-European language spectrum. So what do I mean by the Indo-European languages? Well, I mean the Indo-Aryan languages, the Slavic languages, the Latin languages, the Celtic languages, the Baltic languages, all these groups, the Germanic languages, all these groups have so much in common. They're from the same root, essentially, and you can learn these languages and find so much that will be familiar to you once you're speaking them. So I'm looking at the word day today, and it comes, we think, from possibly two different roots within the Indo-European languages. Now, the Germanic languages and the Slavic languages likely comes from there, and the Latin languages and more the Celtic end would go from Dio. Both of these mean, or both of these have similar meanings. One, to burn, or to burn away, and the other to shine or to emanate. And because these both begin with D and both deal with warmth and brightness, it makes sense that this would have come from a same word and just branched off a really long time ago. All of these languages, we're not including Irish, Greek, Armenian, Persian, or Kurdish. They don't, beginning with D here, so get out of here. And there are a few of these words in different languages for day which don't begin with the sound duh. They do sound similar though, z, j, jo, and these come from a gradual change over the centuries from a word that began with duh originally. So it is the same word, it's just gone through the process of linguistic change. Let's get started. Div, days, dia, 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 giorno, jour, jour, giorno, zi, di, di, ta, dag, 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 day, dag, dagur, dog, diena, diena, Xien, Xien, Den, Denye, Dan, Dan, Den, Dita, Denye, Dinye, Din, Dina, Divasa, Divas, De, Dina, Din, Dinye, Dina. So you can see how close this basic word is across the Indo-European languages, all the way from the Atlantic coast to the borders of the Orient. If you're an English speaker and you're interested in languages as far away as Russian, Bengali, Gujarati, there's going to be a lot more in common with these languages than you think, so why not give it a go? Hey, well, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.